Hello guys! Today, dadalhin ko kayo dito sa lugar na ito kung saan lagi ko itong pinupuntahan. Marami na akong na-feature ng mga content dito. So, punta tayo dito sa ayun, doon sa lugar na yon. Oh, ayan, ang ganda ng araw eh. Napaka-init. Ayan. Dito tayo pupunta kasi may event po. Ayan, nag-start po ang event na ito is July hanggang September 8. Ayan. Kaya, enjoy! Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel again. Today, we are here at National Tyson Theater para puntahan ang ayan, fun time. It's fun time! So, ayan. Pasukin na natin nang marating agad natin yung ating pupuntahan. Let's go. Ayan. Anyway, bawal po dito ang camera na naka-tripod ka. So, yung ating dala is ating paiiklin muna kasi bawal talaga. Nakalagay naman eh. So, pwede kang mag-picture, kumuha ng mga ano, pero bawal ang tripod kasi baka ikaw ay makasagi. Kaya, ayan. Pinagbabawal yan. Pero hindi bawal ang pagkuha ng mga videos at saka mga pictures. Lahat ay welcome. Huwag ka lang makakasira. So finally, welcome to 2024 NTT Summer Release Fun Time Graffiti Wall. Ito po yung graffiti wall. Ayan. From there, the Taichung National Opera House collaborates with the graffiti of artist Mr. Ogay to draw inspiration from the characters in each program of the 2024 NTT Summer Release Fun Time and the Opera House Green Theater Sustainability Action combining graffiti at features great graffiti art wall. Hiding on the graffiti wall are performance codes including many characters from circus. Yan, from circus party. Ayan, nautal ako. Princess Cabalan and the Turtle General and Sunshine Invisibility. Look for them. See how many you recognize. Ayan. Tingnan mo daw kung ilan yung mga mare-recognize mo dyan, mga circus characters. Ayan. Yan po nakasulat dyan yung information sa wall na yan. The Opera House sustainable actions are also beckoning to everyone in different corners of the wall. Yan, including polar bear, cooling fans, energy-saving light bulbs, and zero carbon emissions, scooters and bicycles. Mr. Ogay is a Taiwanese graffiti artist who interprets social issues in a humorous way. His works have been exhibited in Taiwan, Japan, South Korea, Thailand, and the United States. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa ating gala today. Have a nice day. See you again next time, and bye-bye.